watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
It's another sizzler out there. In fact, the hottest day of the week is upon us. A heat advisory very much needed across southwest lower Michigan. All the areas shaded in that orange color runs through 8 p.m. tonight. That bright pink color on the east side of the state, that is an excessive heat warning. Either way you look at it, it's just a small classification because it is scorching hot already. 95 degrees in Grand Rapids, same thing for Ionia, 90 in Hastings, even 92 in Fremont, 93 in Big Rapids, one of our cooler spots in general along the lakeshore. The airport still coming in with temps near 90. At the beaches, we're close to 80 degrees. And then you factor in the humidity, which I have to say the dew point numbers have come down just a couple of degrees since this morning. But at this point, it doesn't make a huge difference because it still feels like it's 101 degrees outside in Grand Rapids. If you go get the snow cone or the ice cream cone this afternoon, it's going to start melting the second you put it in your hand. So I guess that means you better eat that ice cream fast, right? Take a look at Storm Track Live Radar. We have blue skies overhead right now, so completely dry across the area. Expanding the view out, though, you do notice a small area of precipitation in the western upper peninsula. This is actually associated with a cold front, and that cold front is slowly going to drop south across our area. Looks like it clears the Interstate 96 corridor sometime between about 11 p.m. and 2 or 3 a.m. As it comes through, it definitely could touch off a shower or a storm, but this is not a promise for rain for anybody here in West Michigan, just a small chance. Severe weather on our side of the state is not expected. You can see a small area with the slight risk over toward the thumb on the east side of the state. They could have some marginally severe hail there. But in our area, if we get any rainfall, it's going to be a welcome sign because take a look at this, hot and dry. The last 29 days, Grand Rapids has only recorded 0.03 of an inch of rain. Holland only 0.05. And look at those average July high temps so far for this month. Grand Rapids 93.7. Look at New Orleans and Miami. We've been warmer than them when we factor in just our high temps so far through the first 16 days of July. Here's the 24-hour forecast at 6 p.m. Notice the wind out of the west. We've got a temp near 99 in Grand Rapids. A little bit of rain trying to show up. I think this computer model might be a little bit early on that precipitation, but either way, at least a little bit of rain is expected tonight across parts of the area. 82 degrees at midnight. And here's another small area trying to push its way through by daybreak tomorrow morning. Matt Kirkwood will be tracking that for you on daybreak. Temps as you wake up tomorrow morning in the low 70s. And even if we get a quarter inch of rain tonight, it's not going to make a significant dent in what we actually need. By noon tomorrow, mid-80s, and there is a small chance we could see a couple of showers try to linger into the afternoon hours tomorrow, especially near and south of Interstate 94. Out at Lake Michigan, we do have a moderate risk for rip currents today. If you are not a very experienced swimmer, stay out of the water and do not jump off of those piers and breakwaters. The 8-day forecast, today is the hottest day, 88 degrees tomorrow, mid-80s on Thursday. Slight chance for a little precipitation either day, but anything we see is going to be very light. What we really need here is a couple days of a good soaking, and unfortunately, I don't see that coming our way.
No, I'm sorry to hear that. You know, I'm doing kind of an informal poll on my Facebook page here about whether you would prefer 100 degrees and drought or 15 degrees and 10 inches of snow. You know what the overwhelming preference is?
People probably want snow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're all like, I would prefer 15 degrees out and 10 inches of snow on the ground to what we're getting right now.
Save that poll and ask it again after it has snowed 10 inches.
Yeah, I know.
And I bet everybody says the opposite.
Yep, I think you're right. That's a good prediction, too. Thank you, Laura.